Okay, now let's move to the instruction of how to use this media. First, the student will be asked to make a group consist of 5 up to 6 students. Then the teacher will distribute two kinds of text. In this case, the text is folklore. The first text is story about Isumbosi, and the second text is a story about strong wine. Second, the teacher will give the instruction to the student to read those two texts and learn those two texts. After that, the text will be taken back from the students. Okay, third, the teacher will give the instruction of how the game will be going. By turn, each group has to choose one score or 1 point that consists of 1 question inside. They will be given 10 seconds to answer the questions. If they cannot answer the questions within 10 seconds, then another group will raise it, or the question will be thrown to another group. The more high they choose the score, or the more high the score, the more difficult the questions is. The group who get the point is the group who is succeed to answer the questions correctly. And in order to make this game going well, all of the group or all of the participants should be pay attention to the questions, not only the group who has the opportunity to choose the point or the score and to answer the questions. Now let's move to the activities in the classroom. So as I said before, that by turn each group will choose the questions. So here the turn is for group 1. The representative of group 1 will come forward and choose which score the group will answer. So for example here, group 1 will choose 100 points. So inside 100 points, there is a questions that sums how many characters in the story of Isumbosi. Then group 1, by any chance they can answer it correctly. So group 1 will get 100 points because they succeed to answer the questions correctly. And now the turn of group 2. Here the representative of group 2 come forward to choose which score or point that his group will answer. So for example here, group 2 choose 500 points with the questions: what is the moral value in the story of Isombosi? So here, the group 2 cannot answer the questions of 500 points within 10 seconds. So the questions will be thrown to group 3, or any group who can answer it can raise it. And in this case, group 3 will answer the questions. And surprisingly, the third group can answer the questions correctly. So the score of 500 will be given to the third group because they can answer it correctly. Those activities will be repeated until all of the questions completely answered by the group. The group with the highest score will be the winner of this game.